Hello, welcome back to the channel. First of all, I want to thank all of you for the great support you have given us the last 2 years we've been on YouTube. Without you guys, we couldn't have been here we are. Over 50,000 subscribers. So yeah, it's kind of crazy. I'm out in the forest, nature, to test out a new camera. A DJI pocket camera. It's very tiny, and it's 4K with a gimbal and everything. So I'm testing this out to see if it's okay. So today's video is going to be something different. It's going to be 4K footage of nature, forest and stuff. So I hope you enjoy it. And let me just tell you guys, this year 2024 is going to be amazing. We're going to do more haunted things, more exploring, more abandoned. I love the abandoned, like buildings and house and stuff. And just do more on this channel to entertain you guys. So I really hope you like this video. It's very different, I don't know, but yeah, see you.
you don't know what I've been going through. This is when you tell me that you're different. This is when you try to make me fall. Convince me it's true, and that is why you want me like you do. But you didn't even have to try, 'cause you can start a fire without a spark. Forget what I told you, forget all about that tonight. Just remember the flame, you remember the flame, alright. Forget what I told you, forget all about that tonight. Just remember the flame, you remember the flame, alright. Maybe you will tell me what you're thinking, or maybe you will give me all the blame. But I'm moving on. I just have to make sure that you know. Would you be there for me if I'm flying straight into the sun? Blinded by the light I'm chasing, that has happened before. And maybe you don't know for sure, but you can start a fire without a spark. Forget what I told you, forget all about that tonight. Just remember the flame, you remember the flame, alright. Forget what I told you, forget all about that tonight. Just remember the flame, you remember the flame, alright.
thank you guys for watching this random video about nature and the ocean. I just want to test this camera. It's very tiny, so it's a good vlogging camera or something. But this year is going to be amazing. Soon you will see a series about the hunting on the Iron Farm. It's going to be a surprise. We're going to travel a lot more and explore more abandoned and everything, like I said before. So thank you guys. I really appreciate every one of you. Yeah. So see you soon.